How to use Cowrywise app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Cowrywise is one of the fastest growing investing and savings platforms in Africa, but most beginners lose money or miss returns because they use it wrong. If you've just downloaded Cowrywise, let's make sure you're setting it up for real success. First, the biggest beginner mistake is treating Cowrywise like a regular savings account. It's much more powerful. When you deposit money, make sure you assign it to a specific savings plan such as emergency funds, travel goals, or dollar investments. This structure helps you stay consistent and focused. Next, don't skip the investment options. Cowrywise offers mutual funds and fixed income portfolios that most people ignore out of fear. Here's the truth: even with small amounts, you can start investing safely. Diversify between equity funds for long-term growth and fixed income for stability. Many beginners only save, never invest, and end up missing inflation-beating returns. Another mistake: withdrawing too early. Cowrywise rewards discipline. If you set a lock period, respect it. Constant withdrawals ruin the habit and reduce your compounding growth. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Also, use the automation tools. Set recurring deposits so you don't rely on motivation. Cowrywise can pull small amounts weekly or monthly, and this set and forget system is what builds real wealth quietly in the background. Lastly, review your performance monthly. The app shows how your goals are tracking and how your investments are growing. Ignoring this data means you're flying blind. Cowrywise is not just a savings tool, it's a financial growth partner. Use its automation, respect your goals, and think long term. Consistent deposits today can turn into serious wealth tomorrow.